So here's how you can allow camera access on WhatsApp on your Android phone. So let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more and you're not going to miss future uploads. But at first, you just open up the settings app, and from the sections which do appear, I want you to find the apps, which is the place where you can basically manage every installed app and the settings for that particular thing. So from the list, just scroll through the available options and find WhatsApp. As long as the app is installed, it should most definitely be part of this list. And once you get inside, you can then proceed to the permissions, which is right below the notifications in my case. So you can get there. And here are all of the things which you might be interested in. So you can see the camera access, the contacts, microphone, and nearby devices, and so many things which the app can actually access if you allow it. So, you can always retrieve it back in the future. So if you no longer wish to be the case that the app accesses your camera, you can always come back and click on don't allow or ask every single time. So that is the option for you. And one more thing, at the bottom, we have one toggle, which is the pause app activity if unused. And this just means that if you don't open the app for a longer period of time, these permissions will be turned off. Like if you don't open the app for like a month, then it probably doesn't need to access your location all the time, right? So it makes sense to have that turned on, but usually people use WhatsApp on almost daily basis. So I don't think that it's ever going to get to that stage, but this is the option that we have as well. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up on the video if you found it helpful, and I'm going to catch you in the future uploads as well.